Hey there, creators! Welcome back to F.Tech. If you're ready to take your YouTube channel from a fun hobby to a thriving business, you're in the right place. We're talking about turning that passion you pour into every video into some serious cash. In this video, I'm breaking down the ultimate step-by-step guide to help you make it happen. Get ready to level up your channel because we're about to dive right in. Alright, before you start raking in those sweet YouTube dollars, you gotta lay down a rock-solid foundation. First things first, you gotta figure out what makes your channel unique. What's your niche? What kind of content gets you hyped to hit that record button? Own it! Once you've got your niche locked in, it's time to find your people. Your target audience. Who's gonna be glued to the screen, hitting that like button, and sharing your videos? Figure out who they are, what they love, and what keeps them coming back for more. Now, consistency is key, people. You can't just drop a video once in a blue moon and expect to build a massive following. Think of it like training for a marathon. You gotta show up every day, put in the work, and deliver those videos on a regular schedule. And let me tell you, quality matters. No one wants to watch a video with terrible lighting and sound. Invest in some decent gear. A good microphone, some decent lighting, maybe even a fancy camera if you're feeling ambitious. Trust me, your viewers will notice the difference. But it's not just about the tech stuff, it's about the content itself. Step up your editing game, make it snappy, add some music, some sound effects, whatever it takes to keep those eyes glued to the screen. Remember, you're competing with millions of other videos, so make yours stand out. Now let's talk branding for a second. You gotta have a look, a vibe, something that screams, this is your channel name. Think about your favorite YouTubers. They've all got their thing, their style, their catchphrases. Find yours and make it legendary. But none of this matters if you're not engaging with your audience. Respond to comments, run polls, do quandas, make your viewers feel like they're part of the crew. Okay, let's talk about the good stuff. Making money. You've poured your heart and soul into your channel, you've built a loyal following, and now it's time to turn those views into cold, hard cash. Don't worry, there are more ways to monetize your channel than you can shake a stick at. First up, the OG of YouTube monetization, ads. Once you hit that magical milestone of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and start raking in that ad revenue. Just remember, consistency is key. The more videos you pump out, the more views you get, the more money you make. Next, let's talk affiliate marketing. Have you ever watched a video and heard a YouTuber say, use my code for a discount? That's affiliate marketing. Partner with brands you love, promote their products to your audience, and earn a commission on every sale made through your unique affiliate link. It's a great way to earn passive income while recommending products you genuinely believe in. Now, if you've got a decent-sized following and killer engagement, sponsored content is where it's at. Brands are always on the lookout for YouTubers with a dedicated audience to promote their products or services. You'll get paid to create sponsored videos, integrate their brand into your content, or give them a shout-out. Just make sure the brands you partner with align with your channel's values and resonate with your audience. But wait, there's more. Merchandise, my friends. Everyone loves merch, right? Create your own line of t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, and sell them to your loyal fans. It's a great way to build your brand, reward your supporters, and add another revenue stream to your YouTube empire. Chapter 3. Crafting your YouTube identity. Building a brand that pops. Alright, listen up because this is important. Building a successful YouTube channel isn't just about churning out videos. It's about crafting a brand that's as unforgettable as a lion wearing a monocle riding a unicycle. First things first, visuals are everything. Think about your favorite brands. They've all got that distinctive look, that color palette that screams their name before you even see the logo. Your YouTube channel needs that same level of visual consistency. Choose a color scheme, design a logo, and create a thumbnail style that's instantly recognizable. Make it pop, make it memorable, make it scream, this is your channel name. But it's not just about looking good, it's about sounding good too. Choose a catchy intro and outro song, something that gets stuck in people's heads. And don't forget about sound effects. A well-placed boom or zap can add a whole other level of energy and excitement to your videos. Now let's talk about engagement, because without it, you're just talking to a wall of silent screens. Respond to comments, even the weird ones, run polls and quandas, and make your viewers feel like they're part of the crew. The more connected they feel, the more invested they'll be in your channel's success. And hey, don't be afraid to show your face. People connect with people, and putting a face to the name can make a world of difference. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, just be yourself. Let your personality shine through, and let your audience get to know the awesome human behind the camera. Chapter 4. The Numbers Game: Analyzing Your Success and Adapting for Maximum Growth. Alright creators, it's time to talk numbers. Don't worry, this isn't some boring math class. This is about understanding the data behind your YouTube channel so you can make smarter decisions and grow your audience faster than a beanstalk after a growth spurt. First things first, get familiar with YouTube Analytics. It's your secret weapon, your treasure map to YouTube success. It tells you everything you need to know about your viewers, what they love, what they skip, and how long they're watching your videos. Knowledge is power, people. Pay close attention to your watch time. It's the holy grail of YouTube metrics. The longer people watch your videos, the more YouTube rewards you with visibility and reach. So how do you keep those eyeballs glued to the screen? Hook them from the start with a killer intro, keep the pacing tight, and deliver on the promise of your video title. Next up, click-through rate, or CTR. This little guy tells you how enticing your video thumbnails and titles are. Think of it like a storefront. You want your window display to be so eye-catching that people can't help but step inside. Experiment with different thumbnail designs, use bold text, and make sure your titles are clear, concise, and click-worthy. Now let's talk about audience retention. This metric shows you how well you're keeping your viewers engaged throughout your video. And that's how you turn your YouTube channel into a thriving business. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time, dedication, and a whole lot of hustle. But with the right strategies and a passion for creating awesome content, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. What step are you most excited to implement? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to your channel name, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.